The ICFA University Meghalaya Admission Open 2024. The university offers program courses in the schools of management, humanities, social sciences, and science and technologies for both undergraduate and postgraduate programs, UG and PG programs. Full-time campus programs offered under the undergraduate programs are BBA, BCA, BCom, BTTM, BA, Economics, Political Science, English and Education. For PG programs are MBA, MCom, MTTM, MCA, MA, Political Science, English and Education, MA Khasi, MSW and MA Music. For further information and details, visit or contact the ICFA University Meghalaya Shillong Campus, Powerville near Shillong Law College, Dhangati, Meghalaya. Phone number 0364 222 0057. 94851 58603 700-505-7728 8794-250646.
On July 13, 2024, police officers at the Laitumkhrah Police Station summoned Eric Nongkynrih, the president of the Khasi Students Union, Nongthymmai Circle, to clarify the union's stance on their recent inspection of illegal migrant labourers. This followed the police's late-night detainment of Nongkynrih on the 11th of July 2024 at the Sadar Police Station for questioning regarding the KSU's checks on labourers lacking valid work permits. After his summons today, Nongkynrih informed reporters that the police assured him no further action would be taken against him. He accused the police of attempting to instill fear and insecurity among union members, but affirmed the Khasi Students Union's commitment to combating illegal employment of migrant labourers to protect the local tribal community's welfare.
Kabedi bat kajing sakot jong ni ngasiyok food call manen nakaliang kala polis Laitumkhrah ba kiong mangan hawan mi yang ni ti kumta kala penlong nga ba nganwan mi mentas ni bat kila phasai ni kikot kibedi bat ka benda ka ba kiong mon kinum khot chu ti kermen scam ba pinum khot chu iru bat pinum pindik iru ya ki khot jong kaja jong ka isu nomor ba nimla ban susah bat nimla ban supet ba ki khot ni pinong kita ilang kena mat sokar mat polis department
em long kadon em di sapang sandon ni pigen
em kamdon ni kumka pengat pendon kamdon ni kala ki ong ba kala kut bat kinum khot chu bat sakoi ru ngakwa ban ong ya ka jibor ba lor ba suba banuman steng senya namar ba kalong ke ba stanat namar ba ngakan mau ba hawar jar khat nyuru piwan steng mit piwan steng senya mat penting pensmit yang pira yang aru bat pisat along ru nrai wanung penting pat ibahi masem namar ba bahing masem ru idan ha kalian ngajonga bat kia min simiru ba nganang trisem su namta kari ba kacet den di kumba pil along nama ba kadi kasien ka ba kita ki pulit ki wan ban kendang hing jonga ndrei kadang kendang kata ka min sim iri ijat bendu kanum du apo jonga ban namta ki khot jong kacet bendu prokoi namta jing sai khot yang ndrei nya don lang ni nakaliang i president jong ka ki sulam khainet ba di general secretary jong ka ki sulam khainet di kila sai ni ka wi khot ba ki ong ba kinum khot chu bat kata hi ka ba khot ha ka bedi ba kanim tas ni dia na but kinang khot tingin song perkhat namal ba ngidon kinong ilam ki bastat ki basampang bat ki khot ki bastat ki basampang tingin ang perkhat ka da kanu ka sinjam pat ni session ba kinang khot ba kinang pendek ki khot ka ki isu ki berko